So what we're going to do is we're going to leverage the language capability, but we're going to hopefully take out their, not use their knowledge or the LLM's knowledge. We're going to use our knowledge, our documents, our reference material. All right, so we're going to leverage the language capability, but we're going to use our content and kind of, in a sense, put it back together so it's seamless and nobody knows about it except us. So you got the user. The front end is going to be HTML. It's going to be basically a simple web app. There's some jQuery in there, Ajax, CSS stuff, and then the back end is all PHP. Okay, it's running on Apache. And in terms of the database, where the movies are, where our content, that's in a MySQL database for the hands-on lab, but it can be in any database, right? With the vector type, you can do the same kind of thing. Okay, you have to change a little bit of the code, but the code is not that bad. But if you don't any programming language at all, PHP, you can get it, right? It makes sense. It's like basic. Basic language. Anybody can look at it and say, oh, there's a loop there, and it's just signing. It just makes sense. So there's going to be back and forth communication. You'll see that in the code, because I will show you code snippets. And then even though this is on-prem, we are going to call out, or can be on-prem, we're going to call out to OpenAI to do the embedding and to access the LLM. So normally when people just use ChatGPT type stuff, right? Somebody types in a request and then you get a response from the LLM. Okay, but since we're doing the split brain thing, we need to give the LLM more than just our request. We need to give it what we want. We need to give it the content, and we need to give it some instructions. And sometimes we give it the history of the chat, so it kind of has some more content.